Let's make some white bass today from North Dakota. I'm out here in my garden picking some mint leaves and some pepper. I got some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to use up this whole lemongrass stalk. Let's get our cilantro and our green onion. Let's add some oil to a saucepan. I've got some garlic, lemongrass, and Thai chilies. Let's add some fried onions. Mix them all together with some cherry tomatoes and some oyster sauce. Now let's add all my fresh herbs. Mix them around until they're all mixed together. I coated my fish in some egg and flour, and then I deep fried it until crispy. Let's eat! I added the dressing on top of the fish. Yum, yum. Can't wait to try some.